Olympiad is our class for today. We have one problem here. I will show you which one of these numbers are longer or bigger, okay? So which one is longer? This is our problem. We have here 5 to the 4, 3, 1, 1 power. 5 to the 4,311 power. Or this is 5, or 4 to the 5,311 power, okay? So we need to show which number it is longer, okay? Let me go start the process. So we have this number here. So this is 5 to the 4, 3, 311 power, okay? This number is equals let me divide. I'm gonna divide the numbers, okay? So to the 5 is equals to 4,000 power, okay, plus 311, right? So on the other side we are gonna have 4 here to the 5,000 plus 311 power, right? We have that side. So next step here, 5 to the 4,000 power times 5 to 311 power. And this side we have we're gonna have 4 to the 5,000 times, in this case, 4 times 311. All right. So next step, here we're gonna have change the number here. Let me write 5 to the 4 power to the 1,000, okay, power times. You need to remember. I don't want to write the rules here, but it's exponents rules sum, and then here now it's 5 to the 311 power, okay? On the other side we are going to have here 4 to the 5th power, 4 to the 5th power to 1,000, okay, power times here, of course, 4 to 311. All right. So okay, to here. So now if you solve this, we are going to have 5 to the 4th power is equals 625 to the 1,000 power times, continue the same here, 5 to the 311, okay? The other side, you how much is 4 to the 5th power? Is 124 to the 1,000, okay? 1,000 power times 4 311. All right. So something here. Let me divide it to not confuse. Now, next step. We are going to divide. We have 1,300 here. If here, next step is going to be 625 to the 689 plus 311. All right. So now here we are going to have okay, the other side we are going to have 124 1024 to the 609 to the power here times 1,024 311 times 4 311. All right. Here let's write the same thing to that side. So 625 to the 689, okay, times 625 to the 311 times 5 to the 311. Okay. Here we are going to have 1024 to the 689 times here just parentheses 24 times 4 to the 311. Okay, it is the same here. Equals, let's write 625 to the 689 power times, do the same thing over there, 625 times 5 to the 311, right? So now our conclusion here, you simplify, we want to have 625 689 times, you multiply these 5 times, it's going to be 25 to the 311, right? This side we are going to have is 124.86 689 times here is 40 96 to the 311. Okay, let me divide it right here, because some division right here. So now, so just keep going, and then here, so it's like a conclusion. Let me write not the conclusion yet. 600 is equal 625 to the 689 times 125 311, right? The other side we have here 1024 689, okay, times the conclusion is the same. I write it the same, just 311. Okay, so work with that. You work with that. We are going to have here, look at this, 600 here, we are going to have here 625 to the 689 is going to be less, look at this, less than what number? Than 124, no, 124, yes, 124 to 689. Okay, the other side we have here we have here 3125, this one, 3, let's write 311 yeah, 311 less than this number, 4096 to the 311. See, to here. Okay, so now next step, look at this, next step is actually the conclusion. Conclusion is going to be 600 here, so 625 to the 689 times, look at this, 125 to the 311 This is going to be less, look at this, less that which number? So the other side we're going to have this number, 2489, 689 to the 689, 689 power times, I mean not less, times right here, 96 to the 311. Okay, so then the conclusion is going to be 5 to the 4 311 is less, see, is less which number? Less like this number, 4 to the 5311. Okay, see, so therefore I want to use this corner, this little corner, because we don't have a space here. In this little corner, I'm going to, therefore 4 to the 5th went to the 5311 is longer one, is the longer one. Okay, this number is our conclusion. Okay, this number is longer than this one. Okay, sorry for my board is small, so I try to keep all a step here to see how find my answer in both sides. This is 5, this is 4, then I work on this side, and then our conclusion is right here. Okay, right here. This number is less than this number. Correct? So thank you so much.